trusted you with everything.
Treat me no all like Papa P, like fuck up P. Heavy with me roll up, girl.
I believe in you.
Shut your mouth, you a little bit of money. Shut up. Life is sweet, like me dip it in a honey.
What's up, my BE Massive? You don't know it's your girl Tara. I'm back again. I'm going to do a sneak preview and show you how all this works, right? So, the house is just like the human body, right? You have the bone, then you have the dermis. Then you have the
bone that is the steel.
You have the bone that is the steel.
Yeah.
And
you got the black.
And the black, which is that. Okay. So the steel is the bone, the black is the muscles.
And you got 3 layers of skin.
And then you got 3 layers of skin.
Yes, you're gonna put 2 layers of skin. You're gonna put like the granitin and the flashing, the rough cast and the granitin.
Alright, so you hear that, guys?
So you get like the wire works. Like the technician, that the electrical part of your body, like your vein, and the technician part of the work, right?
Oh, so electrical part of the work is the vein run through your body.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, call that run the light. Yeah. And these are the first part of your skin now. No. These are the first coat. These are the dermis.
Yeah, that's.
Then the second dress where them are gonna dress it, it's gonna be the epidermis.
Yeah, that's
and then
part.
the third dress where them are gonna dress it. What that name? That I skin, you can rub your body upon it them time later. I'm ready to go with the paint, go upon it, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where it is.
Yeah. So the ceiling now, them are check the ceiling.
Yeah.
And then them do the same thing.
And then they touch the ceiling, right?
Yeah. So guys, remember a house have 3. Our house is just like a human body. So it have bone, muscles skin. They have the dermis and the epidermis and the skin, right? So that's the flooring now. You don't know, so when we don't need to go level off and what we do to the flooring? Cast it?
Yeah, we're gonna cast the floor.
We're gonna cast the flooring.
Floor, and then you tile
We're gonna tile it.
Yeah.
Not tile it, you know, tile it.
That's we work with like the tail part.
Yeah.
The tail part.
Yeah.
That's the body part of the work.
So guys, him said that's the tail part of the work. That's the body part of the work. When time you fix up the ground, you cast the flooring, put in your tile. You don't know so the bottom good. Yeah? And then after that now we're gonna put in window. We got 2 windows. And guys, this was supposed to be my kitchen first plan. When we started, it was supposed to be a kitchen. And then upstairs now we don't have the stairs up there, so we go up in the room, and then upstairs we don't have the room and the bathroom. But now again, I'm saying, alright then. This is not gonna be in a kitchen no more, you know. It's gonna be our room. Right? Yes. We're not about to build a big house because we don't have no family. It's me alone and mommy, so we are build the place so we can rent it out. Because you don't know it's a business we deal with. Anybody business coming, alright, that's how we do. Right? So for upstairs now, this we're gonna turn this in our room. Chop out one look wall right this so attach that to the bathroom. And then upstairs now I'm gonna have room, bathroom, kitchen. Right? Yes, that's how we are dealing with it. Every room I gonna have them one kitchen and bathroom. So you know what that means. That means tenant yard. Tenement. Yeah guys, so that's what you call the rough cars. Rough cars. Rough cars. Whoops. Watch it. So if you not fling it like that, it not gonna stay up on the wall.
No, that's the way you flash it, you know?
Okay.
You have to, because you have to stand by the wall.
Mm.
You have to make certain way.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can hold on with the cement.
Okay. Nice.
That's a rough cast.
That's the rough cast. And guys, I'm the one who mixed that, you know. We mix the material. You see me, and we are the laborer. You see me. Yes, Tara is the laborer. There we go. And that is just a little sneak preview of what we're doing today. Today is Monday, February 8th. Yeah. We don't go to work, but we're not about to go to work. I have to work today. Working at home. How it look, guys? How it look? Leave it in the comment section and tell me. You know, it was a kitchen to a what? 14 by 12? A 14 by 12. So, you know, it's kind of small for a room, but it still can be a room. Because me, I'm going to make it be a room. Yeah, I went upstairs, but just rent out this, go upstairs. The next stairs don't just rent out that, go up on the next stairs. You understand? And I just saw the thing I go set. And we have rum there drinking as always. Yeah, so that's what that was the end of our sneak preview homework video. Thanks for watching.